Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply fix Corsair keyboard not detected. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to actually make sure that your keyboard is connected properly using the right cable. Now because when you are using a cheap cable, this won't be enough to transfer data or files drivers required to be connected with the actual software. So from there, we can also head over to our Windows setting. You simply just want to search for add or remove programs, and then you will be taken to this page. Simply search for IQ, click on these three dots, and then you want to select the modify option. Click on yes, and then basically from here it will check the files for our IQ, making sure that they are installed properly without missing files. And here it will say that it is successfully repaired, so you could just click on the close button, restart your device, and most likely your problem will be fixed. If not, you want to completely uninstall the application, get a new one from the official website, and that's going to be the final resort. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.